Hello mga kamadam. Tara, tignan natin kung ano man yung ginagawa doon sa roof deck, guys. Kasi ginagawa na po, guys, ang railings, hagdan at saka yung music room ko. Tara, let's go! Ay, ang ganda na. May railings na. Guys. Wow! Lagi na ako akyat dito. Ano si Jerry? Nagtatiles. Pwede na umapak, Jerry?
Ako. Ano ba natin yung file?
Ay, saan ba banda?
Hindi, ako lang kaya. Ito lang dalawa ko wala.
Ah, yung dalawa wala pa. Guys, check na ni Afam, yung ginagawa dun sa roof deck, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Is that fit to you? Ayan, akit kami, guys, dun sa ginagawa ng mga workers namin. Be careful! Yan, guys, oh. Suot-suot siya dito sa ilalim, oh. Yeah. Yan, kasi ginawang hagdan, guys, eh. Oh. Careful! Yan.
I noticed some of the boards yesterday. I think they did a little bit more.
Ito, guys, ang magiging, ano namin, family room, kumbaga, cheater room. Ito dito, yan, oh. Lalagay dyan yung, what you gonna put here? Ni?
Huh?
What you gonna put here? Cheater room? It's like, what you call it?
Projector?
Projector, yeah. Again,
Wall, yeah.
yeah, yan. We're gonna put projector here. Yan, second floor namin to, guys. Theater room. Yan, ito na, paakyat na kami sa third floor. Yan, ginagawa. Magulo talaga, guys, kapag ginagawa ang bahay, di ba? Yan. Yan. Oh. Yan, oh. Yan, nagawa na nila. Oh. Saya-saya. Yan, di ba? Yan. For today's, progress. Ayan, natapos nila, guys. 1 week na sila gumagawa rito. Yan, ginawa niya nila itong hagdan. Tas railings. It's good now.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Tas yan railings, oh. Tas ito na. Honey, can we open the door?
I gotta make sure this door's locked.
Yep. You open the door, let's go out. Ayan, guys, oh. Dito sa third floor, ang ganda ng ano. Oh, yan, oh, railings, guys, oh. Oh, diba? Oh. Meron ng ceiling. There.
What did they do with that stuff they brought up here this morning?
Huh?
What did they do with that stuff for your...
It's in the second floor.
Oh,
There in the bathroom. I think they're in the bathroom. And dito si Kano, chinek niya yung gawa dito. Diba? What do you think? They're good workers?
I think it'll be nice up here.
Pag natapos dito, guys, ang sarap kasi.
Sit up here and relax.
Yup. Yan o. Diba? Upo ka lang dito. Kita mo yan o. Ay, ang sarap. Grabe. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong magiging favorite kong room dito sa bahay na to. Ayan si Apa mo. Oh. Wow! Sunset! My God, very beautiful sunset. Yep.